Hello everybody, this is a quick recap of what we did in class today. So if you look at your agenda, you'll see that there is a PDN, and then after that, we're looking at the scene from A Raisin in the Sun that we watched the video about yesterday. So we're going to read and discuss that, answer some questions, and then finally update your brainstorming doc for the argument essay with a quote from A Raisin in the Sun. So if you go into your classwork tab, you'll see that there is an assignment called 1.21 Part 2. When you open that up, this is what you will see. So we started out with this context paragraph. So this gives a little background on what is going on with the characters in this play so that you can understand the scene better. Walter and Ruth Younger, their son Travis, Walter's mother Lena, also called Mama, and Walter's younger sister Benitha live in poverty in a run-down two-bedroom apartment on Chicago's South Side. Walter is barely making a living as a limousine driver. Though Ruth is happy with their life, Walter is not, and desperately wants to be rich. He plans to invest in a liquor store with Willie and Bobo, his street-smart friends. At the beginning of the play, Walter and Benitha's father has recently died, and Mama is waiting for a life insurance check for $10,000. This play was written in 1959, so that $10,000 then would be worth about $90,000 today. Walter feels he deserves the money, but Mama has religious objections to alcohol, and Benitha reminds him it is Mama's call how to spend it. So if you want to watch the video again, or if you missed it yesterday, this link will take you to that video clip. It is very short. And then what we did in class today was to listen to this audio, which is available at this link, while also following along in the written copy of the text. So once you have listened to that, or read through this, or listened and read through, you need to answer these 4 questions at the end. So the first one is, what characters do we learn about who are not actually speaking in this scene? So you can just list their names. The second question is, which character do you think is most obsessed about money? And why would you say that? Like, why that character more than any other? The next question is, which character do you personally most relate to? So, who do you sympathize with here, and why? And then lastly, if you got to decide what this family should do with that money, what would you tell them to do, and why? So once you've answered those 4 questions, remember to turn this document in. That is a classwork grade for today. And then you're going to go to the argument essay brainstorming, which I've dragged up to the bottom of Cycle 18. And in order to get this doc updated, you will need to add a quote from Sonnet, the Ladies' Home Journal, and from A Raisin in the Sun. So the text from A Raisin in the Sun is in today's doc. Even if you've already turned it in, you will be able to copy and paste quotes out of it. And then Ladies' Home Journal is in the Sonnet and the American Dream. Same thing, even if you've turned it in and it hasn't been returned yet, you are able to open it up so that you can copy and paste quotations. Once you have finished that brainstorming, you do not need to turn it in yet. Just make sure it is updated and saved in your drive, and then you are done for the day.